Everyone, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are having an amazing day. Today, we are diving into a game changing topic that is called Salesforce DevOps. If you are ever struggled with slow Salesforce deployments, unexpected bugs, or miscommunication between teams, don't worry, we are all been there. But what if I told you there is a way to make everything faster, smoother, and error free? That's exactly what Salesforce DevOps did. And in this video, we will cover what Salesforce DevOps is and why it matters, common challenges in Salesforce development, how Copado can make deployments easy, a step-by-step guide to getting started with Copado. By the end of this video, you will know how to save time, reduce stress, and make your Salesforce development more efficient. Okay, and hey, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more awesome Salesforce content. Okay, don't forget. And what is Salesforce DevOps? Alright, let's start with the basics. What is Salesforce DevOps? Imagine you are a part of the busy kitchen. A chefs will consider the developers, waiters will consider the administrators, and managers will consider the business team. All have a different roles, but they need to work together smoothly to serve customers efficiently. If communication breaks down, orders get delayed, customers get upset, and the whole experience is a mess. Entire your restaurant will maybe disappoint in that time. So that's exactly what happens in Salesforce development. If developers, administrators, operations teams don't work together, updates take longer, bugs appear, and deployment fails. Okay, so DevOps comes to the picture here. So DevOps fixes these all these problems. Okay, how like automate the process, building, testing, deployments, updates, and everything. Track all the changes so nothing gets lost, helping teams work together smoothly. Think of Salesforce DevOps as the secret recipe that keeps everything running smoothly. Okay, and why do we need Salesforce DevOps now? So what is Salesforce DevOps so important? Without it, companies face these problems. One is slow development, means manually moving changes takes long time. Second one is errors and bugs. No proper testing means things break. Third one is communication gaps. Developers and admins work separately, causing confusion. Fourth one, stressful deployments. Last minute errors delay the major releases to your production org. But this DevOps, with you are working with a DevOps team, so companies can deploy changes very quickly, test them automatically, and keep them on the same page with the latest updates. Example, imagine a bank wants to update its a loan approval process. Without DevOps, this process takes weeks and error keep popping up. But with the DevOps, everything is tested and deployed in a days with a no surprise. Means like a DevOps team was enter your entire life cycle, your product life cycle very efficient and then less time consuming. Okay, if you are ever struggle with a slow or bugging Salesforce deployments, drop a comment below. I would love to hear your experiences. Challenges in Salesforce development. Let's be real. The Salesforce deployment or development can be frustrating. Here's some common struggles like a manual work, so copying, pasting changes between orgs, that is called boring plus risky. And second one is no visibility. No one knows who changes what type of component, what type of change. And third one is bugs in production. Testing is not strong enough. Slow deployments, waiting for approvals, and fixing last minute issues in a nightmare. Like I will give you one example. A company was launching a new sales dashboard, but without DevOps, errors slipped into production. That's why I had to roll back the changes. So has this happened to you? Share your words, like your worst deployment experience in the comment section. Let's laugh or cry together. Okay, I hope you understand. So let's introduce the Copado. This is one of the most sophisticated tool in Salesforce DevOps native tool. Okay, so how do we fix these problems to meet the Copado? And the Copado is a DevOps tool built for Salesforce. It helps you automate the deployments, track every changes, test automatically, improve the teamwork. So automate the deployment means no more manual work. Track the every changes, so you will never ever get any loss anything for the your component related or any change related, and test is automatically, so it will solve the your major errors and improve the teamwork. Everyone stays updated. So here, think of Copado as your personal Salesforce assistant that organizes and speed up your work. Okay, and then coming to the key features of Copado. So now let's talk about why Copado is so powerful. It comes with a version control, CI/CD pipelines, automation testing, so many. So version control is like a keep tracks for all your changes in your version control repositories, either any of either Git, GitLab, GitHub, or Azure DevOps or anything. So it will Copado is allowing you to integrate with your repositories, and CI/CD pipelines, continuous integration and continuous deployment, automates the testing and deployment here. And automated testing so reduces the errors before they go to live. And release management makes the deployment smooth. And then security and compliance keeps your data safe. Have you tried Copado yet? If not, what stopped you? Let me know in the comments. We'll discuss that one also. So why companies choose Copado? See, recently we are also hearing about from others, like so many Salesforce projects are choosing Copado only. So here, why the business love Copado? Like a faster deployments means saves the hours every week, fewer errors, no more unexpected bugs. And then third one is better teamwork. Everyone is on the same page. Everyone know what happened, where your changes was went to which environment. And then fourth one is safer deployments. Everything follows securely with your rules and compliance, and with your rule sets, everything in safer mode. Let me give you an example. A telecom company cut deployment time, but like a with the very 50 percentage, so it entire error was reduced to 40 percentage after switching to the Copado. Before, this telecom company was used normal old uh, deployment process. Now when I switch it to the Copado, they are reduced errors to 40 percentage and deployment time by reduced to 50 percentage. So there was now in efficient mode. So I hope you understand. Sounds amazing, right? And then how to start using Copado. Once to start using Copado, follow these steps. One is planning, that is called identify your entire your pipeline, means how your deployments will be going on from one org to another org, like these all your architecture related. And set up the Copado, connect it into your Salesforce org, optimize the workflow, automate your process, train your team means teach them how to use the Copado. And then fifth one is keep improving, track the performance and adjustments accordingly. So start with a small project before using the Copado for your whole team. So then you can understand how Copado is offering different types of features to your project, how you can leverage those features in your project. And then coming to the conclusion. Okay, so all right, so let's wrap this up. The Salesforce DevOps is a must have if you want to know. Okay, deploy updates faster, reduce errors before they happen, improve the team collaboration, keep everything secure and compliant. These all things will happen with the Salesforce DevOps only. I hope you get my point. and Copado makes its process very easy. That's why I am more pointing the Copado here, and then we'll discuss coming videos. Flowsum also, Gayset and other Salesforce native DevOps tools. These all tools are more sophisticated tools. Now I want to hear from you. What's your biggest challenge in Salesforce development? Comment below, or in deployment also. So like this video, smash the like button. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe for more Salesforce content. Share this video with your team so they can also learn about Copado and Salesforce DevOps related content. Until next time, happy deploying, happy learning. Everything is happy. Bye.